Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests. Acceleration is given as 6t plus 4, and we need the position function. Let's integrate twice to find the answer quickly. You got this! First, integrate acceleration to find velocity. The integral of 6t plus 4 is 3t squared plus 4t plus c. Since velocity at 1 is 10, c equals 3. Integrate the velocity function to find position. The integral of 3t squared plus 4t plus 3 gives t cubed plus 2t squared plus 3t plus k. Use the position at time 1 to solve for k. Plugging in -2 shows k is -8. Option D is the winner. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid rushing. Trust given values and check steps carefully for success.